Hello children, welcome to English class. Today we are going to start the next chapter, chapter number 8. Mr. Sun takes a holiday. Can you imagine if a sun takes a holiday and what will happen? Let's see. In this lesson, read and understand and find out what happens when Mr. Sun takes a holiday. This is Mr. Sun and Mr. Sun decide to take a holiday. What happens next? Read and find out. Mr. Sun, first squirrel, second squirrel, plant, pigeon, girl, boy, snow. These are the characters of this story. First squirrel, second squirrel, sun, pigeon and the chicks. Let's start reading the lesson and understand. It is Sunday morning. Mr. Sun peeps out of the sky. Mr. Sun says, what he says? Mr. Sun says, I don't feel like shining today. I would like to rest. I think I will take a holiday. He disappears. Disappears यानी he goes away from the sky. He is not seen. Disappear means he is not seen in the sky. It becomes dark. Obviously, when sun is not there, it will be dark everywhere. First squirrel. What the first squirrel says? What she says? Let's see. Why has it become dark? Where is the sun? How will we look for the nuts? Second squirrel. I'm frightened. Frightened means scared, fear, डर लगना. Something is wrong. Let's go home. Both rush to their home in the hollow of the tree. Hollow means a place inside the tree where birds, different kinds of birds, take shelter. Plant. What plant says? Where is the sun? I cannot make my food without the sun. How will I grow? I will go to sleep. So plant is also saying if sun is not there, he cannot make food and he cannot grow. So better to sleep. So plant also decide to sleep. Now pigeon. Pigeon is saying to her chicks, what she says? Darling, it's dark outside. How can I find food for you? You will have to stay hungry. So pigeon is also saying to her chicks that she cannot go out in the dark and she cannot find the food in the dark. Now the chicks has to remain hungry. They will not get food to eat. Women, men and children stop whatever they are doing. Feeling scared, they rush to their home. So all men, women and children stop their work and they first scared, so they move to their homes. Girls, what the girl is saying? One girl is saying, the sun cannot take a holiday. I have a football match. The boy, what he says? What is going to happen now? I want to play cricket with my friends. So girl want to play football match and boy want to play cricket. So boy and the girl want to play games. Girl want to play football and the boy want to play with the friends cricket. So in the dark they cannot play any game. It becomes very quiet on the earth. So it has become quiet. Nobody is working, nobody is playing, nobody is going out, nobody is doing anything. So it has become quiet. Everything has come to a stop. However, the snow is very pleased. Snow is very pleased means snow is very happy. Let's see why. Snow. What Snow says? Now, now the sun cannot melt me. Melt means piglana. It will not become water. The snow will not become water now. I can do as I like. I will make the earth cold. So, snow is going to make the earth cold. Snow falls and it gets very cold. The water in the ponds, lakes, and river freezes. Earth. What Earth says? Oh dear, I hope the sun comes back soon. Now, snow is falling and everywhere it has become cold. Water in land, ponds and river have been become freeze. Freeze means it has become ice, cold because of cold, because of sun. And the earth wants that suns to come back soon. After some time, Mr. Sun looks down to see what everybody is doing. He is shocked. So after some time, when Sun's want come looks down and he sees, he was very shocked to see, because after he has taken a holiday, everything has stopped working. Thus Mr. Sun says, "Oh no, life has come to a stop. I didn't mean to harm anyone. I will start shining again." So sun decides to shine again. He decides to come back in the sky. Slowly he comes out. The snow gets scared. Now snow gets scared. Scared means fear. Now he has fearing that now the sun will melt me, and goes away. The ice melt. The drooping flowers and plants take their heads. The pigeon leaves its nest to find food for its chick. So the drooping plants means the plants which are means that they are not getting sun's energy, so they were drooping. Drooping means hanging, like hanging means जो बिना कोई एनर्जी के जो कैसे आधे मरे हुए जैसे लगते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड ड्रूपिंग. And plants raised their head. So when the sun came back, plants got the energy, sun's energy, and they raised their heads. The pigeon leaves its nest to find food for its chicks. So pigeon also goes out of the nest to find food for the chicks. The squirrel begin to jump and play. Men, women, and children come out of their homes. The girls go to play cricket. The girls goes to play play football match, and the boy happily goes off to play cricket. So this story is very interesting. Hope you must have enjoyed. And the story is written by Dilip Salvi. Read this chapter at home. Take care. Bye for now.